What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy there. Back with another video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. All right, guys. Today we're gonna install a new launcher. It's not a new launcher, but it's a launcher that's out there for a while. I did want to get it. I couldn't get it. I did have to do some research, and I found out the name of this launcher. Now the launcher name is Projectivy, and we're gonna install this launcher today. So guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for your new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Now we're gonna install this on the Smart Cloud TV Imperial. Now guys, I want you guys if you guys have sorry, Play Store, I did try it with Play Store, but I don't know if you don't got Play Store, if you can try it with something else. I don't know if you can try it with something else, but I'm gonna try it with something else, and I'm gonna see if Play Store is the only store that got it. And Projj JECTIVY. It's not there, so it's you only. Oh, it's there. There it is, and you can get it from here also. If that is if you don't got Play Store. If you don't got Play Store and you got Aptobi, you can get it from Aptobi right here. Now we're gonna try it from Play Store. We're gonna find Play Store over here. We're gonna click on it, and then we're gonna click on the search bar up here. Then we're gonna type the name back again. JEC, and there it is right here. It's right here. So we're gonna click on it, and you can see that we are on the launcher right here. You can see that we're on the launcher right here. Okay, so this is it right here. This is the description. You can read the description to find out what you are installing and what it has. Okay, and we're gonna click the install button right here. Okay. Oh wait, I just clicked cancel a while ago. Sorry about that. We're gonna click the install button. My mouse is not working properly. So, and if you hear a dog noise in the background, I'm very sorry. It's my neighbor's dog, and it's doing a lot of stuff. So we're gonna wait for this thing to install, and we're gonna see officially. And there it is. It says the app is installed right here. We're gonna click on open. And here we go. We got some welcomes, and you're gonna just click this arrow right here, and we're going to we're gonna click the arrow again, and this is the arrow that you need to click right here. Okay, we're gonna click that arrow again, and if I may, all right. Some permission or requests, as well as I check for robot access to. Okay, so I was just being sarcastic a while ago. So let's get back into the video. Just click right here, down here where you see this arrow. You're gonna click it, and then when you reach to this stage right here, we're gonna click allow. Then we're gonna click allow again. Then usage of cash reports. Yes, we're gonna this will help make our experience even better and fix issues quickly. Okay, so we're gonna click yes. And right here is where we're gonna click get started. And we're gonna click get started right here, and there it is. And we got the half right there, my friends. So we have the app right, and if you look down here, we're gonna it's enable. You didn't see it a while ago. There's a message down at the bottom of the screen that was giving me a notification, and but these are the apps that you have on your TV. Okay, so we have a lot of more launcher right here, and let me see. Okay, system. Okay. All right, so we are going to click on settings. My remote is not working right now, guys, so be patient with me. Now there is a lot of settings with this app right here, and alright guys, so I was looking for something, but I realized I don't got my remote with me. But if you go to the side right here, over this side right here, you will see that we have YouTube and a lot of stuff right here. This is one of the app that we did want in the future to have. We did want this to be our main launcher, but we didn't have a lot of stuff. But there is a lot of features that this app have, and if you want this launcher, all you got to do is follow follow the instructions, and it will lead you to this right here. Okay, we've been sorry, we've been wanted to have this app right here, and we can go back. Now if you go back right here like this, and you want the launcher, and you say, where can I find it? Okay, first it's not gonna be in apps. I can't get my remote. I can't find my remote. What you can do. All right, guys. So sorry about that. In order for you to get back the launcher, what you will have to do, like it's on this screen right here, the main screen, what you can do is turn off your TV like this. And once you turn off your TV, you will have to plug it out from the socket, plug it in back, and then click back the power button. TV is on right now. Sorry about that, I can't find my remote, but it should give us the option to choose which launcher we want to be our launcher or default launcher and stuff like that. Now once it pop up like this, it should give you this right here. And alright guys, so once you turn off your TV and turn it back on, it should give you the option like this. So and then you will click this, and once you click it, there you go, it's right there, it's right in your face. So guys, if you are and click enable, there is a lot of features right here. Use coloring for a fix issue and on your device. Nope. All right, we're gonna come back off, and there it is, guys. We just installed the app, and I want to thank you guys for your amazing support. So I want to thank you guys for watching.